In this lecture we will see finding time complexity. As we are started from simplest, and as we go ahead we will solve all type of time complexity problem. Let's solve this problem. This loop will go till n. I discussed previously same type of example, and in previous video I told that time complexity is nothing but loop only. Consider only loop. This is the first loop and there is no any bracket, so only this statement is belong to this for loop, and this statement will execute from I equal to 1 2 3 4 dot dot n. So its time complexity will be n. Now consider this. There is two for loop. First for loop executed from I equal to 1 to n, and another for loop executed from j equal to n to j equal to 1 to n. Let's try to understand second loop. This for loop is, and this for loop is under this for loop. So this is the correlated for loop or internal for loop. Value of this internal for loop will depend upon external for loop. First, if I equal to 1, for I equal to 1, I equal to 1 enter in this loop, and for I equal to 1 this loop will execute from j equal to 1 to n, then j equal to 1 dot 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 n. For I equal to 2, again j equal to j started from 1 and execute to till 1 to n. On the same way for n also j equal to j will execute from 1 to n. Overall its time complexity will be n into n, that is n square. So its time complexity will be n square. Correlated or internal for loop, this is internal for loop and this is external for loop and non-related for loop. So for non-related for loop we will add, and for related for loop or internal for loop we will multiply, that is n square. Total overall time complexity will be order of n square. Okay. If you have any confusion, write in comment box. Thank you.